Hey guys, so the Petron Lamborghini collection is already in participating Petron stores nationwide. You can get all four types of the Lamborghini Aventador in participating stores. Lamborghini Aventador S was officially unveiled at the 2017 Geneva Motor Show. It has a 6.5-liter V12 engine that produces 700 PS at 8,400 RPM. Cars or toy collection is scaled at 1:32 and is about 6 inches long. There's 4 different colors available: gold, blue, orange, and black, and is made of high quality die-cast metal. So enjoy. Do is purchase 500 pesos worth of Petron fuels, Blaze 100 XCS Extra Advance, or Petron Turbo Diesel or Diesel Max, or Petron Engine Oils, Petron Blaze Racing, Petron HTP, Ultron, Petron RFX, Petron Sprint 40, and get the car for 250 pesos each. Petron Lamborghini Aventador will be available from October 18 to November 4 in all participating Petron stores nationwide. So what are you waiting for, guys? Go on and drop and buy and get all 4 colors of the Lamborghini. Bye!